Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Next in the bucket we have the cams, the oil pump wheel, and the sleeves. Okay, cam gears, what does it say? Move it to top dead center. Okay, if I just put that in the spark plug hole, and then I'll be able to tell whether the piston's up or down as I rotate this. Okay, that's down. It comes back up. Okay, so that's at the top. And the Woodruff key slot. Okay, you can see that going up and down there. So that's at the top. So that's top dead center. And it says on the compression stroke, but I guess because I've got nothing in here, it doesn't actually matter yet. Okay, if that's the one with the decompression. That's the normal one. Okay, so next is so that's at top dead center with the Woodruff key right there. Cam sleeve for that one. Now, might be hard to see, but there's 2 punch marks in there, and two on here. So they've got to line up when this goes together. Lift the hydraulic lifter. Okay, that's that one. That's the exhaust with the because it's at the front, and with the decompression inside. This is the inlet one. And this one has to line up with that. Like so. That's lined up 2 with 2, 1 with 1. Okay, what does it say next? Got to check the backlash between the cam gear so I need to remove any rotational free play but no friction. As you turn that sleeve, you can see it's closer, further apart.
Out in the shed, fluorescent light hum, draining the oil as the weekend comes.
And this one's the same.
A flash in the pan, a metallic clink. Staring down at the plug, I freeze and I think. A straying pipe bowl, completely pristine, sitting right in the belly of my silver machine.
Just make sure the spark plug's out. So just no.
Knuckles and more on the floor. The silver bullet won't be kicking no more. Gaskets and gears spread out on the bench. A long sleepless night with a tea and a rest. Deep in the crankcase, the mystery grows. Where that little bolt came from, nobody knows.
Loosen it off again.
Hanks off the frame, the cylinder's bare. Piston is naked in the cold winter air. Split it in the cases of the single pot beast. My simple well change turned the nightmare release. Is it a clutch, basket, retainer gone rogue? Or a timing gear fast and no long?
It's a bit tight to turn.
Oh, grease on the knuckles and blood on the floor. The silver bullet won't
Okay.
be kicking no more. Gaskets and gears spread out on the bench. A long sleepless night with a tea and a rest. Yeah, deep in the crankcase, the mystery grows. Where that little bolt came from, nobody knows. Made like a gun, well the factory said, but there's a loose bullet rolling round in her bed. Push rods and oil pumps all looking tight. I'm chasing a ghost through the hours of the night. Organized chaos on the cardboard sheets while the rest of the suburb is fast.
think that's 13.
Like I'm down tight, we'll piece her back together, make her unravel. Just me and my Royal Enfield, stripped to the bone. Tomorrow we build her back up, make her ready
13.
for the road.
I still feel a little bit on this one. Yeah, I think that's okay. I'll give this a okay. So that's the not compression stroke, that's the exhaust stroke, because the marks are opposite each other, so it needs one more rotation. It's back at top dead center there. And the timing marks line up, timing marks line up. That's all that. That feels good. Next is